I think the blossoming success of young Jamaican sprint star Brianna Williams is positively disturbing the status quo of local sprinting. This Otto Bolden piloted Project Brianna is fully exposing the folly and the flaws of what we're doing with our young talent here in Jamaica. I remember 2 or 3 years ago when Williams burst onto the scene, Kevona Davis, the Edwin Allen standout, was also making waves. There was Brianna Liston, as there is now the Clayton twins, and the list will go on and on and on. But the meticulous preparation of Brianna Williams, racing her sparingly and strategically, etc., we see where now donkey lengths have opened up between Brianna and Kevona and all the other locally prepared talent, with the crucial difference being that Brianna Williams is being prepared for the world stage while Kevona and company are being prepared for the champs stage. So while Brianna at 17 turns up at the national senior trials and runs 10.94 to make not the relay team, but to make the individual 100-meter team alongside Elaine Thompson and Shelley and Fraser Price. Our top juniors are so banged up, bruised and burnt out from competing at champs, they'll not even turn up at the trials. So come September, while Brianna Williams will be boarding the plane for the World Championship, our stars will be preparing for next year's champs. Who have eyes to see and brains to learn, let them see and learn.